Hi there, students. A paraph. Paraph. Okay, this is a flourish, a design that somebody puts under their signature or after their signature. Yeah, so you see this signature of Elizabeth I. Well, here clearly you can see quite an interesting paraph. Yeah, there's definitely quite a big paraph under the Z, and there's one that goes above it, and then the R at the end for Regina has got another paraph under it. Okay, so this idea of a paraph, this is this bit that you see underneath. Let's look at some more signatures, because this is where you see paraphs. Well, this is actually John Hancock, and I chose this one because the Americans very often use this phrase John Hancock to mean signature. Put your Hancock here, sign here. And you see he's got a very nice signature, but also quite an interesting paraph underneath it. Yeah, and here's quite a simple paraph, just lines going backwards and forwards. But as you see, these paraphs, in the past they were much more common. Most of these paraphs have disappeared nowadays. Okay, so paraph, these lines or flourishes underneath to either make your signature distinctive or to prevent forgery. Yeah, because if you've got all sorts of that you always do underneath, it makes it much harder to copy or forge your signature. I think here we've got Chopin's with just one little paraph underneath, and this one looks like Puccini, and there's, you see his paraph as well. And here this one's I think this is Captain James Cook, the guy who discovered Australia. Yeah, and here he's got a very interesting paraph. But well, paraphs are clearly something that are dying away. Yeah, notice you can actually also use to paraph as a verb, which you can mean either to add a paragraph to something or to sign something, particularly with just your initials. But well, I think all of these words are fairly unusual. So paraph, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 7 in formality. I think if you use it in an informal conversation, most people won't know what you're talking about, and you're going to have to explain it. So I think maybe semi-formal writing, semi-formal conversation, definitely something formal or something more technical. And then as to origin, well, it comes from French, which then comes from Latin paragraphus, meaning a paragraph, but that itself comes from ancient Greek, paragraphos, para, beside, and grapho, to write. So to write beside, yeah, well, in this case underneath. Okay, so a paraph, this flourish, these curly hues, these strange and different bits underneath somebody's signature. Yeah. Okay, so well there we've got still got Captain's Cooks. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Paraph.